All right, ED, R&D Builders. I'm in North Kenwood. This is the not so pretty part of plumbing. The plumbers are got to be at least 4 to 5 feet below ground trying to find the main sewer line that runs from the house to the street. This is an existing house, so there's already a sewer line underneath. And so they are going to have to run a new line because this old line is not sufficient. But for those of you who thought, why do plumbers make so much money? This is why. This is not easy work. It's very labor intensive.